Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to locate the discontinuities of the function and illustrate by graphing. So we have y is equal to 1 over 1 plus e to the 1 over x. So the discontinuities of the function occur where the function does not exist, right? The function here is continuous at all values within its domain. Why is that? Well, that's because we have a polynomial plus divided by a polynomial plus an exponential raised to a rational function, right? So we have polynomials. We have division, so we can think of that as 1 times the what's underneath, but not even worth worrying about. We have polynomials, we have exponentials, and we have rational functions. And yes, it's not just a straight addition or subtraction, but we know from the theorems that we have, right? If you're looking at the exact theorems, it's theorem 4 for the addition, theorem 7 for the domains or the continuity of the individual parts, and theorem 9 if you're looking for something like e to the 1 over x, which is like a composition of an exponential raised to a rational function. By these 3 theorems, we can say that any combination of these functions results in a function which is discontinuous only at points not in the domain. So where do we have domain restrictions? Well, numerator, nothing. Denominator can't equal 0. And exponential, no issue. Rational function in the exponent, 1 over x cannot equal 0. So that's an easy enough, but 1 plus e to the 1 over x also can't equal 0. Subtract 1, e to the 1 over x cannot equal -1, and e to anything is always going to be positive, therefore there is no domain restriction here. The only domain restriction is that x cannot equal 0, and therefore that is the discontinuity. And we can see this by graphing the function, right? This isn't just a function that we know or can apply a quick transformation to. So you can plot points by hand, but I think the easiest way is just to pull it up on a graphing calculator. And we can see here that it is continuous except at x equals 0, where we have a jump discontinuity.